What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Steph. And for today's video, gagawa tayo ng panibagong tutorial. So last time, yung video natin is my boyfriend does my makeup and sobrang layo na naging resulta niya. So for today, gagawin ko siya and I'll try to copy this look. Ayan. Sana mag-focus siya. Ayan. So, ayan yung itatry nating look. Sana ma-achieve natin siya. So, if you're curious how, let's get started! So, ayun guys, bear with me kasi I have trangkaso. Tinatrangkaso ako kasi hindi ko alam, naglaba kasi ako nakaraan. Hindi kasi ako sanay maglaba. Siguro doon na rin yun dahil tsaka kinabukasan nun alas 10 to 4:30 or 10 to 5 ako noon sa school kaya siguro napagod din. So, ayun. Let's get started. So, as you can see, I'm done doing my brows. So, next is we're gonna put some foundation. We're gonna put some foundation or concealer here in our lids. Oo! Tanda? Doon ka na! Ulit mo? Yan, dito rin sa kabila. Then, blend it. It's up to you. It's up to you if you're using fingers or your brush. So, for me, I'll be using my fingers para kumanta siya sa akin. Getting our loose powder. Yan. This Nichido. Yan. In shade Creamy Glow. Ang tsura ko, girl. So, I'll be getting this brush and put it here. Done with that. After that, we're gonna get some bronzer. I'll be using this detail palette. It's ano to, contour palette siya pero gagamitin natin yung pinaka lightest shade niya para sa ating outer part. And we're gonna mix this with the with your favorites, the shade Salmon. And this one, the Salmon. Para makwate. Sige. So yan, dito natin siya lalagay. Next step is we're gonna get the black one. Then lalagyan natin siya dito sa part na ito. So I'll be getting this one. This kind of brush. So may dumi siya. So I'll be getting the carbon or yung normally na kinukuha ginawa kong color black. Then put it here. Ayun yung kumapit. Kabila naman. Next naman is the mascara. Since wala tayong false eyelashes, magmamaskara na lang tayo and gagawin natin ng techniques. So, wait. So, ayun, we'll be trying out this EB. This EB Pro Flawless Finish Foundation. Ang sabi dito, so, try natin siya. So, balik tayo. So, ito siya. Ayan. Shake this up. So, we'll be using this paddle brush then or blender. I think a little bit is enough. Ayan siya. Blend this. Put this middling fit me for less. Since feeling ko mas lighter siya, gagawin natin siyang highlight na ating face. So, gonna put it here, sakin, under eyes. So, yun. And we'll be using this. No. This one here. Walang ilaw. I think it's good. So next is we're gonna get this powder again, then put it all over our face to set everything. So, tanggalan natin yung tira sa aking kamay. Be getting this powder brush. I'm gonna get this PYS compact powder in the shade honey beige siya. So, gawin na rin natin siyang parang bronzer. Yan yung kulay niya. I don't know. I think it's too dark. A little bit too dark for me. So, pwede siya sa ating bronzing effect. So, we're getting the same brush. Ayan. So, ang gagamitin naman natin is this brush naman. Mas comfortable ako dito. So, ito siya. Walang ilaw. Ang haba na pala. Naman yung blush. So, we're not using my favorite care line. We'll be using this Focalure. Focalure siya. Kaso pang ano siya, pang refill. So, this will be take a perfect in the shade BO3 or the cream. Medyo powdery nga lang to. Next is the highlights. So, we'll be using this. Focalure din siya. Focalure brand din siya. And pang refill din siya. This is the HO3 or the lunch money. Okay. So, we'll be using this brush. The same we use sa paglagay ng powder. So, we're gonna mix this, the seed, and the grrrr. This one. So, ito yung gagawin natin pang outline. So, I'll be getting a small brush. This one. To outline our lips. Outline. Then, this one. Hindi ko alam kung bagay siya. I think, gonna get this, ano na lang. This one siguro. This is a Beauty Now and Next matte lipstick. In the shade Embrace. Ito na lang siguro. Final touch lang tayo and we'll be right back. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like this video and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the ring bell beside it to be notified on my upcoming videos. Ciao!